Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2024 BMW M2, a car that's been turning heads since its debut. The M2 is the smallest and most affordable M car in BMW's lineup, but don't let its size fool you. This is a serious performance machine that can hang with the best of them. In this video, we'll be taking a detailed look at both the interior and exterior of the M2, highlighting its key features and design elements. So buckle up, and let's get started. Exterior. The 2024 M2 has an undeniably aggressive stance. The large kidney grills, muscular fenders, and quad exhaust pipes leave no doubt about its intentions. But it's not just about brute force. There's also a sense of elegance in the design, with clean lines and sculpted surfaces. One of the most striking features of the M2 is its headlights. They're sleek and narrow, with integrated LED daytime running lights. They give the car a mean look, but they're also surprisingly bright and functional. The taillights are equally impressive. They're L-shaped, and they wrap around the sides of the car. They make the M2 look wider and more planted, and they give it a distinctive signature at night. The wheels are another standout feature. They're lightweight and stylish, and they come in a variety of finishes. They're the perfect finishing touch to the M2's aggressive exterior. Interior. The M2's interior is a driver-focused cockpit. Everything is within easy reach, and the controls are intuitively laid out. The seats are supportive and bolstered, and they keep you firmly planted in place during hard cornering. The steering wheel is thick and grippy, and it feels great in your hands. The paddle shifters are mounted on the back of the wheel, and they're perfectly placed for quick and easy gear changes. The infotainment system is BMW's latest and greatest, and it's easy to use. It has a large touchscreen, and it supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials used throughout the interior are top-notch. There's plenty of leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. It feels like a truly premium cabin. Performance. The 2024 M2 is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine that produces 453 horsepower and 550 pounds-feet of torque. It's mated to a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed automatic transmission. No matter which transmission you choose, the M2 is a rocket. It can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. And it has a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The handling is just as impressive as the acceleration. The M2 is incredibly agile and responsive, and it feels glued to the road. It's a blast to drive on a winding road, and it's even capable of handling a track day. So, what do I think of the 2024 BMW M2? I think it's an amazing car. It's fast, it's fun to drive, and it looks great. If you're looking for a high-performance coupe that's both practical and exciting, the M2